All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about Milwaukee's electric die grinder, my thoughts after using it for a while. All right, well, first thing you're going to notice is I got two of them. What do I think about it? Well, I liked it enough to buy another one. This one I paid for. This one Milwaukee sent me. This one I paid for. So obviously I like it. Probably going to wind up buying a third one, but that'll be after Christmas. Couple idiosyncrasies I need to talk about. Obviously, if you saw my initial impressions video, it's got 4 power levels. You know, nothing real fancy. Now, one of the things that they send with the tool is a chart, shows on the back of the box, recommended speeds for different tools. Now, I'm going to suggest you play around with that a little bit. I've actually found with most roll-lock discs, 3 works better than 4. With the OTC hub cleaner, 4 works best, but you definitely want to play around with the settings. A couple other things that a lot of people online are complaining about. If you push really hard on it when you're grinding, try not to actually tear up my hand, the tool will shut off. That is normal. Basically what you're doing is you're putting enough pressure on the motor that it's going, something's wrong, and it stops. Let the tool do its business. I know a lot of guys, me included, do the old push on the die grinder, and you don't need to do that. Let the tool do its work. Don't push hard on it, because all you're going to do is shut the tool off. So don't do that. Just let the tool do the work. As far as batteries, I have found, about 20 minutes runtime on a 2.0 battery is what you're going to get. Gotten more out of it, gotten less out of it, but that's about what you're going to get. Obviously, you can go a little longer if you do the 3.0 battery. But overall, I'm really loving these tools. So much that I paid for this one. Milwaukee didn't send this to me. Just want to point that out. I bought this off my Cornwall guy. He takes care of us, but I like him. Now, I have had a couple of instances where I've picked this tool up, grabbed the air hose, and so used to using a die grinder with an air hose that I have grabbed the air hose a couple times. So definitely a good tool. I do really love this tool. Definitely something you should consider if you're already in the Milwaukee battery family. I love them. Oh, and by the way, there's already several more around the shop. Our Cornwall guy's been very happy with Milwaukee's die grinders. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.